Hey, what's up? My name's Eric, and today we're making chocolate chip cookies. And what I really want to find out today is, does refrigerating your cookies for 24 hours after you've mixed them actually make a difference? So here's what we're gonna do. Being the scholar that I am, I went on to SeriousEats.com, found a chocolate chip recipe that everyone raves about, Jay Kenji, Alt Lopez, main guy, and then we're going to use that recipe. Everything's staying equal, only difference is one of the batches is not going in the fridge overnight, one of them is going in the fridge overnight, both being baked the exact same way, and we're going to figure out which one tastes better. You do not want to miss this. Put your hard hat on, sit back, relax, enjoy, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
To start with these cookies, we're making a brown butter. This is 8 ounces or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and we're whisking constantly until that butter is melted, and then whisking consistently for about 5 more minutes until the butter is a nice brown color. I didn't let mine go for long enough, but please let your butter get brown. Once it's browned, throw it in the fridge for 15 minutes and let that sit. While that's cooling, you're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now you're going to work on this wet mixture. That's 5 ounces of granulated sugar along with 2 large eggs. Look at that one hand crack right there, not to brag, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're going to attach the whisk attachment to your stand mixer, and you're going to whisk on medium speed until this is a really thick, sort of palish, white, yellowish color. And that's going to fold over itself upon picking it up. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like right here, sort of folding on top of each other. Next, add the paddle attachment to your stand mixer and cut up some chocolate. This is 8 ounces of milk chocolate, but you are supposed to use semi-sweet chocolate. I did not know that, and I have learned and will improve next time. 5 ounces of dark brown sugar and the supposed brown butter from earlier, mixing with the paddle attachment for about 15 seconds until fully incorporated here. Next, we're going to add all of our flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix that again for another 15 seconds before adding all of your chocolate and mixing again until fully incorporated. What I decided to do at this point was make 2 cookies without cooling them down. Since I had a sneaking suspicion that the refrigerated ones would be better, I only wanted to make 2. We're going to cover the rest of our cookie dough with our plastic wrap. Shout out to my dad for getting me this. And we're going to throw it into our refrigerator for 24 to 72 hours. I did 24. Now we're going to make our other cookies, the small 2 ones from earlier. Once those are done, here's me talking and reviewing.
All right, and I know this wouldn't be fair if I ate this one when it wasn't hot and the cookie that was cold when it was hot. So I'm just gonna have one of these right now while it is hot, and that way we can get somewhat of a fair assessment here. And this one I'm gonna save until tomorrow, this one down here that you can't see. I'm gonna eat that when the cold cookie comes out, just to still have something to compare at the time. So let's go.
No spoilers though, you're gonna figure out how those cookies are in a few minutes, but for now, we're gonna bake the rest of our cookies. This has been 24 hours. Oven's 325 degrees for about 16 minutes, flipping halfway. Be careful though, some people's ovens lie. Mine wasn't actually 325 degrees, so this took me about 20 minutes. After those are done, we're adding flaky salt to the top of each cookie. This will give it a really nice look, and it just makes it taste a lot better. Salt brings out the flavor and everything. Now you're going to remove all of your cookies from the bottom of the pan. They shouldn't really stick that much, and now enjoy me reviewing these cookies.
All right, enough screwing around. Let's see which one wins. This is our non-refrigerated cookie straight after the batch was made. And this is our refrigerated cookie that was refrigerated for about 24 hours after the batch was made. I mean, come on. Do you see these 2 things? These were the same weight of cookie, the amount of dough I used. This one's like way smaller, way firmer. And this one is beautifully soft and gooey on the inside. I don't think this is gonna be a competition, and I know you don't either. So let's just cut to the chase here. I mean, yeah, that's a good cookie. The guests aren't going to be too upset. The guests aren't going to be too upset if you bring that to their kid's birthday party. Maybe they'll talk a little bit of shit about you afterwards, but it's not going to be anything crazy. You show up with this thing, 24 hours, plan it a little bit in advance. Oh my God. You show up with these, I think they're gonna ask you to marry them. So just go ahead, put them in the fridge for 24 hours, plan ahead, and just do it. Just wait a little bit, okay? All right, thanks for watching.
Go!